everyone, today we'll be learning how to make different kinds of hairstyles. Start off by taking a section of the hair from the top, twist it and slightly push it upwards and then pin it up in place. Taking the same side of the hair, take two sections on either side of the initial section you've created, twist it together slightly and then push it upwards to create a little puff and once more clip it in place. Now repeat this step one more time for the third time. Now add another clip at the base of this. Now on one of the sides, that is the side closer to the face, twist it and attach it to all of the sections you've created. On the other side of the hair, take a big section and then begin to twist it through the side and then clip it up in place. Take a small section of the hair from the top in the middle, add a rubber band to it and roll the hair in on itself. Tighten it and now afterwards slightly puff it outwards. Take two sections of the hair from either side of the central section you've created and now roll this section of the hair in on itself as well and tighten it once you are done. Loosen it slightly using your fingers. Next, once again, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up on either side of it and now tighten it once you are done. Roll the hair in on itself, loosen the sides. Now at the back, repeat this step and once more loosen the sides of it. Add a rubber band at the base of it, lift it up, make it into a bow, add a decorative clip on top of all of this. This will be the final look of your hairstyle. Next, we will start off by taking a middle section of the hair. You may use a comb in order to section out this middle parting. Add a rubber band to it and now slowly puff it up. Make a small division in it and make sure that you make a zigzag division. Now roll the hair in on itself through this division and make the sections all the more prominent as such by using your fingers. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back along with this and slowly puff it out. Add a rubber band at the base of it all, lift this up in order to make a bow-like shape and adjust the hair beside it as such. This will be the final look of your hairdo. Thank you for watching.